A typical off day in the Swedish countryside. It's so nice to be able to get away from the city life in Gothenburg, which is where I work, and just have the privilege of taking in this nature here in Sweden. It's so quiet, relaxing, and re-energizing. So of course I'm bringing Dobby, my dog, and we like to walk into the dense forest and explore a little bit. Try to find some new places where we haven't been, and yeah, Dobby's having fun. These long walks are also meditating, but sometimes I even think about work, new business strategies, business ideas, something that I can improve on, but in a more stress-free way. Oh yeah, I found this rotten tree. I just had to push it down. Well, I didn't have to, but I got the urge to. There's a lot of different mushroom species here, but I don't like mushrooms, so I don't really care for them, but I like to look at them. They all look poisonous to me. Best to just leave it. But yeah, some of my greater ideas has come from just roaming around in the forest and thinking about the next move or something that I can improve. It just feels like a good way to avoid any distractions and just let my mind think about whatever it wants to think. And here's some more mushrooms. There's a little bit of downpour today. It was worse earlier today, so we had a nice walk. And this walking session was around 1 hour. And usually after I take a walk, I try to do some strength exercises. So today I'm gonna do some pull-ups, and I did about 100 in total today. I do some variations in the grip, so wide grip, close grip, and some pause at the top. Some underhand grips as well with the pause at the top. And then I also did some false grip pull-ups. Everything to basically help strengthen my grip strength. And then just randomly try the one arm pull-up as well.